Unleash your creativity with Crazy Colors fabric markers, the ultimate tool for personalizing your world. With 20 unique, eye-catching neon colors, these markers deliver bold, vibrant designs on white and light-colored fabrics that pop. Double-ended for double the fun. Use the fine tip for outlines and details, or the chisel tip for bold strokes and shading. Safe for the whole family, non-toxic, fade-proof, and washer-safe. Perfect for kids aged 3 and up, and certified for your peace of mind. From t-shirts to tote bags, bibs to sneakers, decorate it all. Your imagination is the only limit. Crazy Colors fabric markers, vibrant results, endless possibilities. Get yours today and let your creativity shine. Smash that like button and please consider subscribing to our channel.